high-sided myself. Oh well. Kinda wish I still had my YZ. That was an awesome bike. So for the rest of this video, well, it was way too big for a quad. The rest of this video, that's a pit bike. Okay, ADD. The rest of this video, I'm gonna talk about all the bikes I've had. Not for your entertainment, for mine. Because I know that no one watching this video will actually care. Ow! Alright. Let's go back in time a couple of years. 7 years to be exact. Years ago, on my 8th birthday, I got my CTR 90. That was back in bike we bought it new. It was like an 06 or something like that. And before that, my older brother, he got a DRZ 125. So, the problem was we didn't have a trailer or anything. So, not having a trailer, you can't trailer your bike and go ride, obviously. But we had a minivan. We would put both bikes inside of it and drive out here, or wherever we would go to ride. Well, you see, the problem was we didn't get to ride a lot. We got to ride maybe twice a year. And it was like that for about, I don't know, 4 years. And I kept the bike just to have it. Kept it to have it. And then about 2 years ago, I'm all messed up with my math, but hold on for me. 2 years ago, I sold the CTR and got an RM85. It was an 03 I found on Craigslist for a good deal. And then to actually go riding again. I met up with Joey riding bicycles. Found out he had some place to ride at his house. He was way ahead of me. He'd been riding longer. Still, I'd go ride with them. And then next year I outgrew that. Bought old Ralphie's YZ250. 4-stroke. Side door going on the trail now. There's just two guys on pit bikes. That's crazy. He's got a Raise MTB shirt. I like bicycles. And so I started riding with Joey even more on my YZ 250 because it was a big bike. I was starting to get better. Oh no! But I sort of beat the crap out of that bike. So, but that was the bike I had my first 2 races on. Jeez. Oh man. I'm all over the place. First 2 races on, actually started to get good at riding-ish on that bike. So, but as you can see, Joey, Ralph, Hunter, they all got 2-strokes. So I decided I had to move with the times and get a 2-stroke. But I couldn't afford a KTM. And so I listed my YZ on Craigslist. And only a few days later I got a text from some guy. He's like, yeah, I got a KX250. You want to trade? So I just traded it in full. Like, talk about major upgrade. And I'm really liking it. It's got a flywheel weight, 8 ounces or something like that. It's got a FMF fatty pipe on it, which I really like. It's got a full buttload of low-end torque. I can plug it like they do on their KTMs. Oh, gee. FMF fatty, FMF, I think it's like a Power Core 2 muffler or something like that. Oh. Since I got this, I started riding at Joey's. Riding at other places. I've only done 1 race so far. This is my first year racing. Done 1 race on this bike. I like it. I'm pretty sure I went the wrong way. Joey's mad because I'm trying to talk. I'm riding a lot slower. So I'll leave it there and come back later. Ah! Ha ha! Ah! That didn't work. Stuff is hard packed. Alright, so continuing on with the video. Got a bunch of stuff I gotta fix, like that leak right there. That's bad. Watch, Joey's gonna come up here, he's gonna laugh at me. Look at that. Erosion. Explosion. I mean erosion.